already begun at 6:45. Chucks, let's go. Come on.
Well, we've been here, I don't know, 3 or 4 days now.
Yeah, it's been a couple days.
Yeah, really settled in. It is hot.
Yes.
And
Today's the
buggy.
hottest. Gonna be the hottest.
What, 94 today?
Yeah, supposed to be the high. So we've been dealing with like 90 degrees since we've been here.
Yeah.
So that's an extra
Like,
4 degrees.
Essentially trying to survive the night because the wind dies down completely, and then spending like 8-10 hours down here by the beach.
Yeah, we have to like dunk the dogs in the water and put them in the shade, and do the same for ourselves. It's the only way to stay cool out here.
It's like 7:30 and it's already at probably 85.
Yeah. Oh yeah, and it doesn't get below like 82 at night, so a little uncomfortable for sleeping. Our neighbors who we met last year, they said the same thing. It's a little hotter this year, a little more uncomfortable. So today's
Fridge
gonna
is
be
struggling.
Yeah, the fridge is struggling. Today's gonna be a beach day.
Yeah, I actually have to do a couple clients, so I'm planning on spending like the next half hour, 45 minutes immersed in the water to cool my body temperature off before I have to get on the computer.
Yeah. Yeah, that, and after that we'll probably just literally hang by the water, swim, snorkel, maybe go for a paddle.
Eat a little.
Yeah, have some lunch, hopefully eat.
Stay cool, play in the
Stay
water.
cool. Another day in Baja. All right, well, it's toasty, and poor Megan's up at the trailer doing some work with her clients, so she'll be up there for the next hour or so, and I think I'll do some fishing. Sweet rockfish. I don't know if you can see that. I do not want to touch it. Well, not the ideal type, but something fun.
Time to go in the water. Oh, Chatsy. It is so cute. If I know they didn't sting so bad, or hurt so bad. I think they like this warm, shallow water.
Blue dew, blue moon, kinda mysterious. someone I'm not really into. Do me to fix it. Talking bullshit. It's hard to see when your eyes look dull. Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you not blue? Not blue. Blue too. That blue. Sort of witty and jaded, but let's not talk about you. Your coyote song on a rerun. Are you hound dog tired singing all night long? Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you not blue? Not blue. Not blue too. Blue moon. Been one or two since I ran into you. Do you need a picture? Well, that gets old. It's hard to take one when your iPhone's full. Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you not blue? Not blue. Not blue.
Woo, my poor little heart. It was like 15, 20 feet away, and as magnificent as it was, it actually made me a little nervous, and my heart is still pounding.
That was amazing. I mean, the chances of seeing a whale this close to shore, one, is crazy. Two, in this area, they're not very common this far up in the Sea of Cortez. So, I mean, we're just incredibly lucky to have seen that. And as bummed as I am that I wasn't here to see it in person, I got really good footage on the drone, so it was worth it.
And I'm sure the whole beach heard me yelling, Jimmy!
Yeah, it seems like a few people came down to look, but what a sight. What a great sight. Hey. Phew.
So my mask is fogging up, and Jimmy is coming to my rescue with some good old-fashioned Dawn dish soap. Dee-dee-dee. Oh.
Give your mask. Goggle repair, mobile repair. See ya. All right, we're going for a snorkel. I'm gonna see if we can see some fish. We'll see. But it's hot and we want to be in the water. All right, so it's just after 4. It's still really hot. I just went up to the trailer a bit ago. It was 98 degrees in the trailer still. So we're just hanging out by the sea and just staying cool. The dogs have been napping all day long, and they are happy to be out of that hot trailer. So we'll probably be down here for maybe another hour, and then head up and maybe make some dinner. We'll see how hot it is.
Yeah.
It's finally cool enough to go retreat. All right, so tonight we're cooking over fire. It is still pretty warm, so we don't even want to think about cooking over the stove. Yeah, should be fun. We're gonna do some fish that our neighbors gave us, some veggies and potatoes. Should be pretty good. There's something green in there burning.
Everything's better with butter.
See, I'm not sure if how much they're done. How much more they have to go. Ooh. A tiny bit longer. Let's see if they're ready now. fish.